Hello everyone, myself Jaya Agarwal, Assistant Professor Political Science from SPCGC Ajmer. This is paper 5th of MA final. Name of the paper is Political Analysis and Research Methodology, and in this video we will discuss about the facts and values, their correlation, relation between the facts and values. So let's start. In our discipline, both the facts and values play a significant role because facts make our discipline science, but it is correlated with the values, aims, goals, etc. The question is that if only on the basis of facts, the scientific study along with solving the problems regarding humanity and the world is facing, whatever challenges are, solution is possible or not. According to some thinkers, if we include the values in our discipline, there is no possibility for our subject to be treated like natural sciences. Facts are the collection of observed things, incidents, etc., and such observation or on the basis of this observation our study or research can be called science or scientific study. Therefore, there are two aspects in terms of facts and values relations. According to some writers and thinkers, there should be separation regarding facts and values as far as scientific study of our discipline is concerned, but we want objective conclusions. But according to some other thinkers, it is not possible to keep separate the facts and the values. They believe in the unity of facts and values. It can be said that separation of facts and values represents the behavioral aspect of political science, and unity of both facts and values represents the post behavioral aspect. Behavioralists focus on making our discipline quite similar to the natural sciences by using scientific methods and techniques. Second opinion that supports the theory of equal importance of both the values and facts oppose the idea of excluding values from research and study. They analyze, study, and observe the facts in the context of values, and according to them, values work as a foundation for knowledge. Therefore, they cannot be neglected. According to them, a value free political science is impossible. Separation of values and facts is neither scientific nor realistic. Scientific value relativism has indicated that scientific study of values is possible, but facts should be given its proper place to study the values. Only then theory building is possible for our discipline. That's all for today from my side. Thank you very much.